Hello, today we are going to learn how to answer questions with is/am/are in this grammar exercise. Before we start, let's review the grammar rule for how to use is/am/are. So for the subjects like I, we use am. For subjects like he, she, it, singular noun means noun that is only one, and then one of plural nouns, we use is. And for subjects like we, you, they, plural nouns, noun that is more than one, and then blah blah blah, and I, blah blah blah. In here we can put another subject. We use are. So remember, we use I with am, these subjects with is, and these subjects with are. Let's get started to the questions. Fill in the blanks with is, am, or are. I, because the subject is I, so we use am. I am a student. Number 2, she blank my friend. What is the subject? She, so we have to use is. She is my friend. Number 3, we blank playing soccer. What is the subject? We, so we use we with are. We are playing soccer. Number 4, they blank happy today. What is the subject again? They. So we use they with are. They are happy today. Number 5, he blank in Paris. He we use with yes, is. He is in Paris. Number 6, it blank white. It, where is it? This one with is. It is white. What is the subject again? It. Number 7, you blank kind to me. What is the subject first? You. So you are kind to me. Number 8, my brother and I blank at home. What is the subject? My brother and I. This is this example. Blah 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 and I. Just blah 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 and I. We have to use are. My brother and I are at home. We don't focus on I because there are 2 people here. So we have to use are. Number 9. My mother blank cooking now. My mother is the subject. My mother, same with she. So she is cooking now. Number 10. My cat blank white. What is the subject? The subject is my cat. My cat, same with it. So it is white. My cat is white. Number 11. The students blank going to the library. The students, plural, look, because one is student, singular is student. This is singular, only one. and then plural, students with S. This is plural. Because this is plural nouns, so we have to use, yes, are. The students are going to the library. Number 12. My bag blank on the table. My bag is the subject. Oh, I forgot to underline this. Okay. My bag blank on the table. My bag is a thing and it's only one. So we use it. Same with it. So it is. My bag is on the table. Oh, I forgot this one. The students, same with they. My bag is on the table. Number 13. The door blank white. The door is the subject. And it's only one. So singular or only one. So we can replace this with the pronoun it. So same with it. So we use is. The door is white. Number 14. The singers. Look, there is S. Singer is singer is singular, only one, and then singers, plural. So we use are. Okay. The singers, so the subject, and same with they. If we replace this with a pronoun, it becomes they. The singers, plural, so we have to use, yes, are. The last one, number 15. One of the students blank sleepy. The subject in this is one of the students. One of plural nouns. One of plural nouns, right? Because students, this one. But we have to focus on this one, one. So we have to use is. One of the students is sleepy. Okay? Now I have a challenge for you to do. Okay, I need space in here. So the challenge, what is the answer for this one? The challenge for this one, the children blank reading their books. So what's the answer for this? Is, am, or are? Please write in the comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.